Okay, George. Hello, George. I repair the third time your garage door. So first of all, what I come in, I make a loose the springs and switch. This one is switched to manual. I switch the automatic to manual, pull down. Yeah, switch to manual. And look, as you can see, the doors fully open it by just my hand. Yeah, it's full opening, no issue. Yeah, anything, all is perfect and good, everything is good. Yeah, so it's easy to operate manual. Just pull down the rope and garage doors come down. Just remember, automatic is switch to manual at the moment. And I pull up again and it's open again. Full opening, as you can see. It's full opening just now again. So if you're using everything correct, is nothing can happen. As you can see again.